This is my kitchen right after cooking a full dinner. I did not scrub a single dish, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I used to avoid cooking because I hated the cleanup, so I had to change the way I cook. Now I do everything in one pan. I like to keep it easy but still healthy, so tonight we're going to do chicken with squash, beets, and Brussels sprouts. These are ceramic nonstick pans, so they don't need a lot of oil, so I'm going to start by just searing my chicken in them. I love how these lids sit perfectly on top, even with the handle, and they're see-through so you can keep an eye on your food.
I have to say, I'm always impressed by the non-stick on these pans. It makes cleanup so easy.
The chicken looks and smells great. I'm gonna add my vegetables to the same pan, and I'm gonna show you why in a minute. Okay, this is really my secret to keeping my kitchen clean. So these Gourmetific pans have detachable handles, so you can put the pan straight into the oven and you don't need any extra dishes. All right, it's been in there for about 25 minutes. Let's see how it turned out. Ooh, it looks amazing. And that's our one pan dinner with hardly any cleanup. Now, if you can't tell, I love making my life easier, so I always make leftovers. This set comes with Tupperware lids, so you can put the pan straight into the fridge, no extra dishes, and the next day you can take it out, put it right on the stove or the oven. And now I don't have to clean a single pan today. If you hate cleanup like me but want to cook from home, I would definitely recommend this set from Gourmetific.